Hey y'all, I just wanted to share with you this product that I received as a gift from the brand. This is a train with a bunch of little animals hidden inside these houses. I'm going to show you how my little one plays with it. He is currently 13 months old, so he's not quite ready for the numbers and things, but he is starting to learn animal sounds. So this is awesome for little ones. Let me show you. So it is this long train, very easy to put together. It has numbers 1 through 10 on them. And it also has these little counting dots that you can count as they get older. Each little piece connects perfectly and easily there. And they have little animals in them. He likes to pull the little animals out. He likes to take all the little houses off and get all the animals out. What I love is that it's color coordinating. So this little red cat fits in the red house. And it has a red lid that he has over there that he can put back on the top. He's not quite ready to do that yet, but he does love to pull the little lids off. And then eventually he notices the little animal in there. And sometimes we will play with, pull them out and practice animal sounds. But this is such a nice toy, very smooth, rolling choo-choo train for kids ages 12 months and up. I would say it's great for memory, parent-child interaction, observation, and just playing and learning numbers, colors, and animals. As you can tell, he just loves to take the little tops off of the houses and get the animals. So we highly recommend this. It's super cute. Very nice and easy to put together in a nice durable plastic. There you go, bub. And here are what the animals look like. They have little holes in the bottom, so you can kind of use them for finger puppets as well. But highly recommend this product. It's so nice and perfect for anyone 12 months and up. And I would honestly say all the way up till 2 or 3.